Hello, Group C, Cecilia, Maria, Carmen, Anam. Because you guys are repeating in the sense of, well, expanding the original presentation, doing the cohort analysis, I would like to give you more details on what's a cohort analysis and what you're supposed to be doing. I'm going to share with you this Excel here. And basically, for example, for the LGen box, this is the cohort analysis for the expected result. I have done my own. Maybe my one is wrong. When you do it, you don't get exactly the same values. We'll see. Hope you do. But this is what I'm actually expecting. What I'm expecting is for you to find what's the first day of Bitcoin information in Yahoo. And once you get the first day plus 365 days, that's a year. So that's year 0. Then the next year will be from, that's original date plus 1 year up to 2 years. That's the year 1, and then year 2, then year 3, year 4, and year 5. There's nobody in year 6 anyways in Yahoo. And then you get the year 0, and for everybody, you calculate the Lian-Zhang box, not by year as it was originally, like 2014 or 2015, but getting the year 0 of everybody, or all the cryptocurrencies that you can calculate. And for an analysis, it's quite complicated to see any conclusion here, but it's interesting if you see the average of the p-values. Okay, this is the p-value, so you get the average of the p-values. You can clearly see that it's going down. And the same thing I'm expecting with the run test. Do the same idea, or run test on the year 0, year 1. Once you calculate year 0 and year 1, it becomes easier for every cryptocurrency to calculate the other tests, because it's just a matter of calculating the tests. So on top of this is what I'm expecting for all the tests. Then you could analyze the actual results, or you can analyze an average of the years to see if there is any tendency, any trend or anything. And finally, what I will share with you is I'm going to share the analysis of the group A, because group A actually managed to apply all the tests. So they're not applying for all the cryptocurrencies, but they managed to apply for 2 cryptos. One was Bitcoin and another one was XRP. And as you can see here, they managed to run Bitcoin, then for XRP, the LGen box, then the run test. Then they did the AVR test using R. Then they've done the more tests, the Bartels test, also using R. The BD test, they've done it with Python, and also what else they've done. So that here are all the tests. So I'm gonna share this thing because your group hasn't completed all the tests perfectly. So I would like you to revise on this one. That is, so you expand the study from past, trying to do as much as you can. So what I mean is more cryptos, like what I've done here on this Excel, and via cohort, instead of doing years, you do the first year of that cryptocurrency, the second year of that cryptocurrency, and so on and so forth, and to all the tests. So the more you complete, the better, and then, well, better you'll be your grade. And also, I'm also interested in, once you get the result, if you can see any conclusions. like this one that I'm telling you that is going down here on the averages. So if you can conclude that's what I'm expecting. What I'm expecting as a result is not a paper this time. I'm expecting a notebook and a presentation, an Excel like this could be also an output, but a presentation plus a notebook. Okay, so that was because you guys are repeating and expanding. I would like to make it clear what I'm expecting. Okay, so if you do that, you expand for all the cryptos, for all the tests in a cohort manner, and take some conclusion. That's for every test you're getting a 10, and also deliver that on the presentation, of course, on the presentation day next week.